Hi guys, Polly and Nina here from Property Brokers, but we're really proud to bring 8B Monrad Street to the market. It's such a good home, great for investors or first home buyers, brick, aluminium, good sized living, master bedroom's huge.
It is.
Nice separate toilet.
You don't actually need much more, do you?
Not really.
Anyhow, it's a great spot. It's near Woolworths or Countdown, whatever you want to call the supermarket. We're about 4k to the CBD, and we've got the warehouse and all those fabulous shops just up the road.
Cool, come and check it out.
So come and check out this low maintenance unit. Obviously it's brick and aluminium in a great spot, needs a little bit of love, and immediate possession available.
Yeah, which is such a bonus. But we look forward to seeing you here. Either give us a call for a private viewing, come to an open home. We're Polly and Nina, and we're the PNN and Palmy North Real Estate.